How's it going, my friends? Back with another video today. Just wanted to start this off by giving a shout out to my new donors to the channel. People have made donations real quick. Tobias Fertig and Eric Vaughn. Thank you guys so much for your contribution to the channel. Saying thank you for all the information that I'm putting out here, and I really appreciate it. I'll keep the information coming. So this video today was kind of inspired by one of my longtime subscribers here, Stan. So you and I were talking, and I put up a community post in the community tab, just a poll to see if you guys would be interested in me doing live streams every week, just so I can, you know, have conversations, answer questions live for you guys. But me and Stan were talking. I appreciate all the engagement, man. You're always commenting on my videos, and it's really good to hear from you because I know that you're a pro in your field. You've been around this a long time. But he was saying how much he appreciated the community aspect of this channel. And that was so good to hear because honestly, that's like the best part about this channel. I love interacting with you guys and all the conversations that go on in the comments. There's like people from all different types of areas of photography and all different skill levels. So I was thinking if I could do a portrait challenge or some type of photography challenge every single week, I'll kind of spark something and give you guys something to work off of, and then we can kind of post the, you know, photos, and I can go over them and we can kind of talk about the photos and, you know, kind of go off of the challenge every week. I thought it would be kind of fun to like bring everything together and just see what everybody's out there shooting with. So one of the things that I like to do to get inspiration for new portraits is I like to go to the store, like arts and crafts stores, and just walk around and just kind of see, you know, different things that I can use to incorporate in different creative type of portraits. And then, you know, Sarah and I usually practice them. I take pictures of her with them, and then we go out and do it on engagement shoots or weddings or things like that. But sometimes we practice them at the wedding, you know, if I have something cool, like some type of reflection or something to shoot through or some type of thing that'll add color or dimension or depth to the photo. You know, I'll just practice it on the wedding day sometimes and see if it comes out. But I was searching online, actually through arts and crafts stuff, and I found this little thing. Bam, the smoke pencil. So I don't know if you guys have seen this before, but basically this thing is just going to generate this really cool amount of smoke, and I think this would be super cool to start off with like a portrait challenge, and for all of us to kind of go out there. You guys can pick one of these up. It's like 37 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. So if you guys can pick one of these things up, I'm going to go out and I'm going to shoot with this on my engagement shoot this weekend. And if you guys could go out, shoot with your engagements, your couples, or just, you know, if you're a significant other or just a friend, and just come up with some cool portrait ideas incorporating this, we can kind of go through the community, share them on, I'll share them on the channel, and we can kind of get people's feedback in the comments and things like that. I think it would be a really fun thing to do. So check this thing out. I'm not going to have it go off too long because I don't want to set the smoke alarm off in my house, but if you just put the solution in there and then you let it heat up for just a second, boom, and look at that. Let it heat up like a little bit longer. Actually, you just give it a little bit. So if you hold it halfway down, it heats up, and then you push it all the way, and then the smoke comes out. Look how freaking cool that is, guys. 37 bucks, and this will add a really cool dimension to some photographs and portraits that we can come up with and then share them on the channel. I mean, let me know your feedback if you guys are even interested in doing something like this, because I want to share. I find cool stuff like this for portraits all the time. So I would love to share what I find with you guys, and then see if you guys can come up with some portrait ideas also, and we can kind of just share them on the channel and talk about it. You know, like I said, I don't want this just to be a YouTube channel where I'm just here preaching to the camera, and then you guys are like talking, you know, you can't interact with somebody on the screen. I really want to make sure that, you know, we're all talking to each other and getting ideas, and if I don't know the answer to a question, you know, maybe somebody else can step in the comments and help out. So if you guys have any, you know, ideas or feedback, or if you guys want to participate in this, please let me know. Shoot me an email, let me know in the comments, and yeah, we'll take it to the next level and just see what everybody comes up with. I think this would be a really fun idea. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully this gives you guys some creative ideas for this week, and hopefully we can turn this into something fun. Till the next video, guys.